What's up, y'all? It's Kris from Faction. We got Cole's 180SX here. We are doing the Itai dash gauge install. So right here I got the dash out. Mocking it up with some painter's tape to try to get an idea of where the holes are going to be. Trying to get that center line. Here I am making a template. Got to look at Itai's car, see if we're getting the accurate install of the dash. Measuring it out, making sure everything's nice and square. Here I'm drawing that center line so that all the gauges can be aligned and spaced out evenly. Pretty sure I'm talking to Frankie here. Here I'm making a pre-pilot hole just to ensure they're all straight. Now we got the hole saw out. You want to start out real slow so you don't tear the vinyl of the dash. Once it's past the vinyl, you can pretty much go full throttle. Don't know what happened there. Once you get that first hole, you just keep going. Because it's too late now. This dash is destroyed. Peeling back the tape, make sure the dash is still okay. Looks pretty okay. Just trimming up the edges and make for a clean surface and a clean gauge install. Deburring the holes. As you can see, the hole in the furthest right is slightly higher. It was hard with the curvature of the dash. I actually ended up going back and adjusting the hole to bring it down and turned out pretty centered. A little mock-up before the dash goes back in. Make sure they're all straight. Turn the car on, make sure all the gauges work, all reading properly. Alright, all that's left is to button up the car, put the interior back together, and go for a test drive. If you guys liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.